In the frozen wilderness of North America, a silent hunter moves through the snow, not alone. Every step is calculated, every movement has a purpose. For thousands of years, wolves have ruled some of the harshest environments on Earth. But their greatest weapon isn't their strength, it isn't their speed, it's their ability to work together. This is the remarkable story of the gray wolf, the ultimate team hunter. The gray wolf is one of the most intelligent predators in the animal kingdom. Found across forests, mountains, and tundra, wolves have adapted to survive in environments where many animals would struggle. An adult wolf can weigh between 60 and 120 pounds, depending on its habitat and subspecies. With powerful jaws, incredible endurance, and highly developed senses, wolves are built for survival. But what truly makes them extraordinary is their social structure. Unlike many predators, wolves rarely live alone. They live in families. A wolf pack is much more than a hunting group. It's a family unit. Most packs consist of parents and their offspring. Each member plays an important role. Older wolves help teach younger ones. Experienced hunters lead the chase. Pups learn by observing and practicing from an early age. Communication is critical. Wolves use body language, scent markings, facial expressions, and their famous howls to stay connected. A howl can travel for miles across open landscapes. It helps pack members locate one another and defend their territory from rivals. Together, they become stronger than any individual wolf could ever be alone. Hunting large prey is one of the most dangerous activities in nature. A single kick from a moose or elk can seriously injure a wolf. That's why teamwork is essential. Before attacking, wolves carefully observe their target. They search for weakness, an injured animal, a young calf, or an older individual unable to keep pace with the herd. Once a target is selected, the pack begins its strategy. Some wolves drive the prey forward, others move into position. The chase can continue for miles. Unlike cheetahs, which rely on short bursts of speed, wolves depend on endurance. They are built to run, and they never stop applying pressure. Eventually, exhaustion takes over, the prey slows, the pack closes in, and the hunt reaches its conclusion. Life for wolves is far from easy. Winter temperatures can plunge far below zero. Food can become scarce. Competition is fierce. Wolves must constantly defend their territory from rival packs. Conflicts can be dangerous and sometimes deadly. Young wolves also face enormous challenges. Many will leave their birth pack to search for mates and establish territories of their own. This journey may take them hundreds of miles across unfamiliar terrain. Only the strongest and most determined survive. Yet wolves continue to thrive because of their adaptability and resilience. Many will leave their birth pack to search for mates and establish territories of their own. This journey may take them hundreds of miles across unfamiliar terrain. Only the strongest and most determined survive. Yet wolves continue to thrive because of their adaptability and resilience. Even river systems showed signs of improvement. This phenomenon became known as a trophic cascade. It demonstrated how a single predator can influence an entire ecosystem. The return of wolves revealed just how important these animals are to the balance of nature. For centuries, wolves have inspired fear, admiration, and fascination. They are intelligent, loyal, resilient, and perfectly adapted to life in the wild. Their survival depends not on the strength of one individual, but on the unity of the pack. In a world where cooperation often determines success, wolves remind us of a powerful lesson. Together, we are stronger. And in the silent forests and snowy mountains of North America, the howl of the wolf continues to echo through the wilderness, a timeless symbol of the wild.